KineMaster versus YouCut. Which video editing app is better? Explores how choosing the right video editor can transform your content creation without the usual complexity. Both apps offer powerful features but differ in ease of use and editing depth. KineMaster and YouCut are popular mobile video editing apps with distinct approaches. KineMaster delivers advanced editing tools for detailed projects, while YouCut focuses on simplicity and quick edits. The core difference lies in KineMaster's professional features versus YouCut's user-friendly design. KineMaster is a full-featured mobile video editor designed for creators needing precise control. It offers multiple video layers, blending modes, chroma key support, and frame-by-frame trimming. Users can add voiceovers, transitions, and effects with fine adjustments. The app works by letting you import clips, arrange them on a timeline, and customize every element. Its strengths include professional-grade tools usually found on desktop editors and support for 4K exports. However, KineMaster's complexity can be overwhelming for beginners, and some advanced features require a subscription. Ideal users are semi-professionals and enthusiasts who want to create polished videos on mobile devices without sacrificing control or quality. It's especially useful for YouTubers, social media influencers, and educators who need detailed editing on the go. YouCut is a lightweight video editing app focused on simplicity and speed. It offers essential editing features like trimming, cutting, merging, and adding music or text. The interface is clean and intuitive, enabling users to quickly produce videos without navigating complex menus. YouCut supports exporting in HD and compresses videos without losing quality. Its strengths lie in ease of use, fast performance, and free access to most features without watermarks. However, it lacks advanced tools like multi-layer editing or chroma key, limiting creative flexibility. YouCut is ideal for casual users, beginners, or anyone who needs to create straightforward videos for social media such as Instagram stories or TikTok clips. It's perfect for quick edits and sharing without a steep learning curve. Comparing KineMaster and YouCut highlights clear trade-offs. KineMaster excels in detailed editing scenarios where layering, effects, and fine control matter, making it suitable for creators aiming for professional results. YouCut shines in fast, simple edits where ease and speed are priorities, ideal for casual users or quick social posts. For example, a YouTuber producing tutorials or vlogs benefits from KineMaster's deeper feature set, while a casual user making short clips prefers YouCut's straightforward workflow. KineMaster requires more time to master and may need a subscription for full access, whereas YouCut offers most features free but with fewer creative options. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize advanced control or simplicity and speed. Choose KineMaster if you need professional-grade tools and detailed editing capabilities on mobile, especially for complex projects and high-quality video output. YouCut is the better option for quick, easy video edits without a learning curve or subscription fees. It's perfect for casual creators focused on social media content. Pick the app that fits your editing style and project complexity for the best results.